The supply conductors, that is phases and neutrals, which we have seen, pass through the, you can see here, supply conductors, phases and neutrals are passed through the this coil of the CT. Okay, that is called as toroid coil. So primary winding itself conductors and secondary winding that is provided with this coil. The secondary winding connected to high sensitive electromagnetic trip relay, that is trip relay, that will give you tripping characteristics. So tripping characteristics, that is high sensitive electromagnetic relay. So tripping characteristics you can see here. So in healthy condition, sum of the current, you know that it is equal to 0, or there is no current through neutral. Then when there is a sum of the current is 0, there is no fault, no earth leakage, it is detected. So currents are balanced, but whenever there is fault, current is not balanced. Current will flow through neutral, through earth. So leakage is there. So impedance imbalance is detected, and RCCB is tripped if this current is more than set value. Right? So you can have the tripping characteristics, current in milliamperes and time in milliseconds for operation 1. So you can having setting that provided the characteristics you are having. See any characteristics you can see similar to the as current. You can have the typical current setting. Why there is no operation below this? Because 1, 2, here you have not, this current is less than 30 milliampere. Current is less than, so setting that is 30 milliampere. So operation or operating characteristics all are shifted to more than 30 or 100 milliampere. So C1, C2, C3 are for 100 milliampere. This is for 30 milliampere. Okay. So in zone 1, no reaction. 1, 2, 3, 4 zones are there for characteristics. Zone 1, there is no, because of there is no setting, so no reactions, no characteristics. In zone 2, no harmful, so you have not designed. Zone 3, normally damage is expected because of current is more than 30 milliampere. याच्यामध्ये 30 milliampere current असेल तर muscular contraction, difficulty in breathing, reversible disturbances. So these currents are harmful. So current is set for this transient cardiac arrest, that may without particularly such dangerous to the operating personnel may be there. In zone 4 it is a very dangerous. So in this case you have to operate your circuit breakers very fast. So psychological effects such as cardiac arrest, breathing arrest, heavy burns may occur. So as leakage current increases and it may be harmful. So characteristics are accordingly. So protections that can be provided by RCCB against earth fault. Direct contact, indirect contact, and from magnetic field, then protection against fire that can be provided with RCCB, and energy conservation also followed by using RCCB. Okay, any doubt you can ask. Then sometimes you may ask, compare fuse with MCB. Fuse with MCB. You can ask comparison of fuse with MCB. So fuse and MCB. fuse, especially prompt and quick action. MCB takes more time to operate. You have to replace the fuse, you have to reset the MCB. काही वेळेला असे तुम्हाला विचारलं जातं, what is compare fuse and MCB or MCCB or RCCB or ELCB. So you must have these points comparison. Okay. Then simple construction as far as fuse is concerned. Construction of circuit breaker complicated, cost of fuse low, cost of MCB is high. Replacement you can do it manually. Resetting you can do manually and automatically in MCB. Fuse फक्त overload and short circuit protection, no other protections. You can adjust different protections in MCB. Old house connections we are having fuse. Now we are normally and industrial purpose we are going for MCB. So you should able to compare fuse and MCB like this if it is asked. कभी पण join होता है. Then you should able to select the type of circuit breaker, LT circuit breaker and ST circuit breaker. ST circuit breaker, LT and ST circuit breaker. Okay. Selection of LT and ST circuit breakers. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So miniature circuit breaker, then MCB. You are having the circuit breaker MCB. Then we have studied MCCB. Then we have studied ELCB. Then we have studied ACB. Then we have studied air blast ABCB. Okay.
PCB.
Huh? I am going.
PCB. Vacuum
I
circuit.
am going chronological order. Okay. ACB, ABCB, then OCB, then MOCB. Okay. Then SF6, VCB, then SF6, SF6 circuit breaker. Okay. And especially one more is, this is not particular type, but we can say, but not necessary, right? Okay. So these are the circuit breakers that we can choose properly for ST and LT. Now MCB, miniature circuit breaker, especially here is used for arc quenching. Voltage for MCB I am not going to write because it takes much more time to write me. Listen carefully. Here as arc quenching media, voltage up to 600 volt you can use. Low voltage circuit breaker, very compact in size, and especially LT circuits and domestical use. You are having the MCB, you are having the industrial use also for MCCB. Again same as that of here as arc quenching media, low voltage operation up to 600 volts. Molded case frame, tripping mechanism. You are having electronic communication parameters or electronic circuitry. Application LV circuits or LT circuits. These are long lasting, high mechanical strength, high dielectric strength than that of MCB. Then ELCB, the arc quenching media here, voltage again same up to 600 volts, Okay, and especially it is used for earth leakage protection. Here circuit breaker, arc quenching media here, voltage level it is up to 11 kV. Arc runners, arc filters, arc quenching parameters are provided. Low voltage and medium voltage you can use up to 11 kV. ABCB, arc quenching media here, voltage level up to 11 kV or 22 kV. They are fast operating, extra high voltage that can be used. OCB again up to 11 kV, arc quenching media oil. You may go up to 22 kV or 33 kV also. MOCB minimum oil. Okay, transformer oil it is used. Voltage level may be up to 220 kV. Small arc control, outdoor applications, MOCB can be used. Vacuum circuit breaker, arc quenching media vacuum. Voltage level 33 kV, 66 kV also. There are various types of design. They are compact compared to all other circuit breakers. Suitable for indoor and outdoor applications. Up to 33 kV. SF6 circuit breaker, very high voltage circuit breaker, VCB nanta. Outdoor indoor mechanism. Copper type double break. Two types are there. Voltage level can be very high, 765 kV also or 1200 kV also. They can be available for outdoor and indoor applications. Okay.
Okay, sir. RCCB हा MCCB चा प्रकार आहे.
RCCB yes, but residual current म्हटलं मी त्याला. You can set the value of current. So in general we can have, if voltage is below 1 kV, you can go for ACB, VCB, you may go for MCCB, MCB. If voltage is 3.3 to 6.6 or 33 kV or 22 kV, you may go for VCB, SF6CB, MOCB. If voltage is 132 to 220 kV, you may go for SF6, ABCB, MOCB. If voltage is more than 400 kV or 400 kV, you are having SF6 circuit breakers that can be used. Okay. Once again I have revised the things. Any doubt?